You're welcome back to class. So today we are going to be talking on a new function I just discovered. So it's actually not a new function. It's recently I just stumbled on the function and what based on my past experience, I feel like it's something that what we need to learn. What is that function? It's called image function. So there might have been some cases about let me say in a store you have a list of our items. The name is going to be there, the product ID, everything, and the price will be there. But the issue is that what there might be some kind of mix up from our sales boy or sales girl. Probably due to the fact that what some products are very similar. So selling what is giving another price, giving a particular price of a product to another product, which can affect what our income. Imagine giving a product of probably 30,000, thinking the product it is what it's for 15,000, probably because of what they are kind of similar or their product name is something like that. And also in case of what of employee or staff also. So most times if a lot of company the way they have their employee just have employee table. You just see the name of the employee. You might not know their face and you not be able to identify them. You just like in our company, Korea CG is working in our company. But how does Korea CG looks? You might not know why because of what it is only the name that you have what in the table, but what for the face is not there. So, but I've just discovered this and I feel like what wow, this is going to assist us a lot. Now, for sure, every company always have the kind of what their backup data. By in such data, they will have what the name of the employees, their name and what their picture. So in such case now, this function I want us to use it can assist us. Now I want them I can have what staff ID like this, staff ID name and every other function and say what their picture. Now in year past some years back, whenever I want to use pictures in Microsoft Excel, especially adding to Excel, it tends to give you a lot of issues. A lot of issues. Whereby I will have to to be resizing myself, reshaping it and stuff like that. But this function I've actually discovered now is going to assist us. It saves us the stress of of saying you want to reshape yeah, resizing. Exactly. And I will not want to go too deep in the function today. I'll just tell us the function and how to apply it. Pim, and you're going to do that. So all the other optionals, we are not going to talk on them. Exactly. We explore those ones later. So and what is the function? It's called image function equals to image like this. Just click on the link. But the only thing you just need to do is make sure that your picture is saved on a particular place. It might be maybe on the website, on Google Drive, or OneDrive, any place, any storage. Once you just all you just need to do is make sure that anywhere you are saving it, you have access to get the link. You can get the link. Once you can get the link to that list that image, that is all you need. Every other thing you don't need to start to save again. So this is it. You see, then you can just click on this. Now even if it's for inventory table also, I can once I make sure that my product photo is somewhere, just get the link and I can use this image and it's going to get the images of those products, employee, anything at all. So and added me just before the way you would import something, you have to come to insert, from insert, come to pictures, where is it? Come to picture and this picture okay let me do I have any picture on my system? Let me see. This picture is going to it cause a lot of issues. You have to be reshaping. Okay, let me see. I want to use this now. Insert. You see, you have to be disturbing yourself. Like it takes a lot of time. But with this, you don't have to stress yourself. You just get it and everything's going to appear. Hope you learned something new today. Thanks. Make sure you share this video, like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching. Till we meet in our next class. Bye. Do have a good time.